Welcome to Technology Best Product Review channel. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to me because your subscription encourages me to make a more important product review video. To be successful in life, you must focus on reducing expenses. You must deposit some of your income daily in a savings account. These little savings will one day take you to the threshold of your dreams and you will find a large amount of money in your hands. Now you need to thoroughly analyze your expenses to maximize these savings. After analyzing your spending areas, you should take the initiative to reduce costs where you think alternative ways of reducing costs are possible. For those who agree with me, I will discuss a product that will help every family reduce their costs. My recommended product is the Nuwave Flex Precision Induction Cooktop. The Nuwave Flex Precision Induction Cooktop offers versatile and precise cooking capabilities, making it a popular choice among consumers. This countertop burner, available in the stylish PIC Flex design, is equipped with a 10.25-inch Shatter-Proof ceramic glass surface and a 6.5 heating coil, providing efficient and even heating for various cooking needs. Key features: adjustable temperature and time. The cooktop allows on-the-fly adjustments, enabling users to modify temperature settings or cooking times without starting over. With 45 pre-programmed temperature options ranging from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, users can choose from convenient presets or fine-tune temperatures in 10 degrees Fahrenheit increments. Digital controls and immediate response. The intuitive digital controls are easy to operate, offering an immediate response to temperature adjustments and providing a seamless cooking experience. Shatter-Proof ceramic glass surface. The heavy-duty ceramic glass surface undergoes rigorous testing to withstand intense heat without shattering. This feature ensures safety and durability, making it one of the safest cooktops on the market. Superior heating technology. The slim design and patented insulation technology bring the induction heating coils closer to cookware, resulting in faster and more even heating. This minimizes the risk of hot or cold spots, enhancing the overall cooking experience. Safety features. The cooktop includes built-in safety features, such as automatic shut-off when the set cook time is completed. Additionally, it will not start if the cookware is removed, reducing the risk of burns and fire. Portable and lightweight design. With its lightweight and portable design, the Nuwave Flex is ideal for various settings, including dorms, RVs, campsites, and smaller apartments. The 3 wattage settings, 600, 900, and 1300 watts, make it suitable for use even in limited power locations. Melt functionality. The cooktop can melt chocolate and handle delicate sauces with precision. The Flex can be set at 120 degrees Fahrenheit for tasks like melting chocolate without the risk of burning. Compatibility. The cookware is induction ready, and users can easily check compatibility by looking for an induction symbol on the bottom of their cookware or by using a magnet. If it sticks to the bottom, it's likely induction ready. Positive customer ratings. With a 4.5 out of 5-star rating from over 5,993 reviews, customers appreciate easy cleaning, reliable heat output, accuracy, and user-friendly operation. Affordable and environmentally friendly. Nuwave emphasizes providing safe, affordable, and environmentally friendly products with the latest technology, aiming to improve the quality of life for users since 1993. If you want to get the product mentioned in my video or want to know about the different models of the product, you can learn more details by clicking the link provided in my description box.